Hello and welcome to Codeeze Radio Workshop. On the bench, finally, we have a Roberts RFM3. This was kindly sent to me by a friend of mine, Daniel, who bought this for the few parts that he needed to repair one of his, and he said that I could have what was left, which is pretty much the whole radio. I don't know any history to this. I don't know that Daniel's powered this up. I just know that one of the things he wanted was the badge, so he's swapped it over and kept the better one and put the less better one on here. That's as much as I know. There's something rattling about inside. I haven't opened it up yet. I don't know what state it's in. I don't know whether it's recoverable, repairable. But hey, that's what we're here for. Let's have a look. You've seen me take these things apart before, but first thing to remove is the handle, which just presses down. It's just a pressure fit, and then it should just lift away. And then there are the two screws on the side. We'll remove the bottom panel, and already a screw's fallen out, and the jack socket cowling and the screws, and the aerial bracket. There's no aerial bracket screws apparent. Aside from that, I don't think there's anything else loose inside there. Disconnect the speaker. We should, because Daniel will have had this in pieces already, it should be a simple-ish job to poke the radio out of the top. Didn't need the mallet. Take off the dial face trims, put them on one side. Remove the knobs if they will. Yep. Lost one of the brights off one of the knobs, that will go back on. Then remove the dial face. Little discoloration inside there, should be able to resolve that. Plenty of dust and dirt there. Wave change looks relatively clean. And here we are ready now to recapacitate the circuit board. And so it begins. back. We've recapacitated the board and we're just going to give it a test.
It's such a tune. Raleigh Ritchie, Party Fit, our tune of the week on...
It takes years to establish confidence, gain agreement from the... We have to grow up and learn this
Mark, you know what I mean?
By Celebrate.
It says, Bohemian Schnapps for me.
There we go. It is working. It was working before, but now it does sound better. It's a lot cleaner, a lot crisper, and it tunes in slightly better. So that'll be it for this one. The next time that we come back to this one, we will just do the tidying up, possibly change this dial back plate, clean the knobs, clean the case, and then we'll put it back together and see what it sounds like back in its own case. I know this has been a short one, but nevertheless I am back. Plenty to come. Wait for the next one. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much, and thank you very much for bearing with me. And if you're not a subscriber, please do. There is, as I say, plenty more to come. Thanks very much for watching. I will catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.